Aftertaste is good, but the first taste is something off about it.
Off.
I would give it 6.5 out of 10. It's nice, but I wouldn't buy it again. Namaste guys, welcome back to another vlog, another day, like he always says. So before we start, I just hope that everyone is keeping safe, that everyone is healthy. So please stay at home and look after yourself and look after the loved ones. Oh, and if you're new to our channel, like karo, share karo, subscribe karo. Achka vlog, something really special for you guys. So we're going to go back in time when I rated Magic Masala chips and I gave them 6.5 out of 10 points, and I know you hated me about it and I know how much you love this chips. So today I'm going to give it a second chance and I'm going to try it again, and I'll be honest, as I'm always. So this time I decided to add a little bit of twist into it, and you'll see completely different version of Lay's Magic Masala chips. I ordered my chips, we're waiting for them to arrive, and then the magic will happen. Makasam! My Lay's arrived! Hanji?
Madam, your delivery.
Show your face.
No, I can't show my face for security reasons. लेकिन पैसे लोगे क्या? Take it. छोटा बजट है, क्या करें?
Oh, you're coming inside?
Budget is small. I have to come.
Oh no! Oh no! Stranger danger! What are you doing?
Eating?
No, you are not eating it.
Why not?
That's for dinner.
ये 50,000 है यहाँ पे. I can't even eat one.
No.
अरे magic masala है. I can have one.
Oh no. So today we are cooking something very easy. It's going to take about 5 minutes and you need just few ingredients. So let me show you what you're going to need. So we have chicken. We are using chicken breast. If you're a vegetarian, you can use vegetable of your choice. We have eggs, nicely beaten, few eggs. Again, if you don't eat eggs, you can use vegetable milk, plain flour, and center of our attraction. Hello, Lay's Magic Masala chips. Oh yar, that's going to be yummy. Oh Bai, come here and help me. You opened the packet already, so come at least do some job and help me.
Yeah, but you told me today that I have no work to do.
What world are you living in? There's always something to do, Bibushu.
I am a taster. टेस्टर का काम है टेस्ट करना. कंसंट्रेशन मतलब मैं अपने ना वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकता अपने आप को. I can't distract myself.
So as you open chips already, now let's crush them. So we'll prepare kind of like a breadcrumbs for our chicken. So I think you're going to do it because you're very strong. So yeah, we need that power to crush those few chips.
So to crush them, yeah?
Yes.
How bad do you want them to be crushed?
Almost like a breadcrumb, a little bit thicker.
थोड़ा सा दुख भी होता है ऐसा, मतलब खाने को बेटर था. चलो देखते हैं अभी कैसा बनता है. Okay, let's get some butter and ghee. We're going to fry our chicken on butter together with ghee to get that extra flavor. Okay, bye. Let's start cooking the chicken, and I think every engineer can make it. It's so easy, so easy.
Engineer, non-engineer also.
Engineer, non-engineer.
Engineers की बेइज्जती करने की जरूरत नहीं. Don't insult engineers, okay?
So you get piece of chicken, dip it, you cover it with flour. Tiga. Then you put it in the egg mixture. And now you dip it in our magic masala mixture. we tested something, so you don't have to make the same mistake at home. It's much better to use oil instead of butter, so it will not burn as quickly, and medium flame. Then your chicken will look nice and golden.
तो ये ऐसा कलर चाहिए और ऐसा प्रॉपर KFC वाला फील चाहिए. तो मेक श्योर गाइज कि नॉट लो, मीडियम है. मीडियम फ्लेम पे बनाना, और हाँ, तेल यूज करना. देसी घी और बटर यूज मत करना.
Yes, oil is much better, and just be patient. That's it. Because I think we are so hungry and we just wanted to eat it as soon as possible. And you know, some of the things you just can't speed up, so you just have to wait.
भूख लगती है तो थोड़ा impatient हो जाते हैं हम लोग.
Excuse me?
No, I said like when we are hungry, we get impatient. गाली नहीं दी. I didn't abuse you.
Okay.
I never abuse you.
Always it is better to be safe than sorry, so it's always, you know, better to double check what you're saying.
लाखों में एक है तू. You're one in a million. ये bye bye बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. ठीक है? Bye bye is too much today.
Is it?
Yes. Bye means brother. मैं तेरा भाई नहीं हूँ. I'm not your.
You call me bye, so why wouldn't I?
नैले पे दहला मार दिया फिर से इसने.
Hey.
Oh भाई, दिख तो बहुत सही रहा है. Looking very nice.
Yeah. Smells very nice as well.
Oh, let's taste this, Baba.
Yeah, should we have it outside?
Yeah, let's.
The weather is nice. Let's go.
अच्छा.
I also prepare some dip.
Oh.
That's a garlic dip.
So how did you make it?
Soya sauce, mayo, little bit of herbs, and garlic, salt, pepper.
Soya sauce?
Oh, soya yogurt.
अच्छा, soya yogurt या कोई भी. You can use any yogurt, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, yogurt, garlic.
Mayo.
Mayo.
Herbs.
What herbs?
I use coriander. That's
Coriander.
what we had.
Okay. And
salt, pepper.
salt, pepper. Oh भाई ये तो
ठीक है.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा जहरी लग रहा है. चले.
चलो
फिर.
Let's go. I'm so hungry.
टेस्ट टेस्ट वही करेंगे हैं?
Yes.
तो भाई, I think I feel it's looking very nice. I haven't tried it before, तो भाई मेरे को पता नहीं है कि क्या मसला है. First I will break it in front of the camera. See. Oh भाई साहब.
Ooh, juicy.
आधा तू खा, आधा मैं खाता हूँ.
Cheers.
This is very good. Oh
This
wow.
is actually very good.
Dip के खाओ.
Very impressed. Now my skirt
Oh भाई
definitely
sauce
will
तो
go
एक
up.
नंबर. चल गया, sauce is amazing.
Yeah.
बेस्ट पार्ट इसकी भाई हमने इसमें कोई नमक नहीं डाला, कोई पेपर नहीं, नो सॉल्ट पेपर नथिंग. तो सारा क्योंकि मैजिक मसाला में होता ही है. तो ये इन्वेंशन बेसिकली हमने किया है. वी इन्वेंटेड दिस है ना.
We invented this.
लो भाई, तो ये बेटा हमारा इन्वेंशन है, पेटेंटेड है. कहीं पे भी तुमने अगर देख लिया इस वीडियो के बाद इस चीज़ को, मैजिक मसाला फ्राइड चिकन को, कंप्लेंट टू मी एंड टू हर. देखो कैमरा के साथ मैं थोड़ा ना इज्जतदार टाइप का आदमी बिहेव कर रहा हूँ, वरना ये तो पूरा चाट जाता है एक ही बार में. मैं पूछता हूँ ना, आई आस्क यू है, व्हाट इज़ योर परसेप्शन नाउ अबाउट मैजिक मसाला? चल सीधा, यू कांट ईट, बट विद फ्राइड चिकन
The score definitely improve. So obviously because I made it, I can't say it's 10. I think on this note we'll finish and we'll say goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe, like if you like our content, and obviously share. And as again guys, please stay safe, stay at home, make sure you look after your loved ones. It's not going to last forever, and together I think we can beat it, and I'm pretty sure that we'll do it very soon. But for now it's very important that we all stay safe, and hopefully we'll be able to come and visit you soon.
चले ओके जी.
Okay.
चल भाई फटाक से खाते हैं. माँ कसम भाई साहब, क्या ही स्वाद है भाई, मज़ा आ गया भाई. ओहो. मैं मेरे हाथ से भी खा ले सकती है.
Oh, sharing.
भाई, you deserve this one यार. क्या बनाया है भाई, मज़ा आ गया.